Should I take over? Okay. Thank you all for coming. Today is a very, very big day for me. Whenever you take up a brand and you endorse it, there's always, at least for me, a certain emotional connect. And it's been so with me with Garnier Pure Active Neem face wash before, and now finally with Garnier Fructis. And you may not believe me, but it's fine. But I've used Garnier Fructis probably all my life. And today we are proudly unveiling the new Fructis Triple Nutrition range, which I am very, very excited about because I've used it. And you know, when you're an actor, at least in my life, every day you're doing styling, you're blow drying your hair, you're doing different things, which tends to tire your hair. You know, when you overwork your body, you get tired. Sometimes your hair also gets tired. So you need to give it its utmost nutrition. And Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition does that because it has a combination of almond, olive oils, and coconut oil. And it, as the MC said before, it works through scalps, through roots to tips. And that's something that and it's triple strengthen and triple nutrition. And I feel like at the end of the day, if we go as actors and as people, we go to dietitians for, you know, to nutrition our body, we should do the same thing for our hair because, you know, you always want to look beautiful with your hair. And yeah, so I'm really, really excited to be here. And I think one thing that I always look for in my shampoo and my conditioner is the smell. Because many people say that when a boy gets attracted to you, he smells your hair first. So it's not only about boys. It's also about how you want to smell nice. But the smell has like a little fruity and a very like daisy kind of vibe to it, which I really like. It's very fresh and young. And one thing that the conditioner offers is that you can condition your scalp as well as people say don't condition your scalp, but in Fructis Triple Nutrition, you should condition your scalp because it's good for you. It'll fill it up with all the nutrients. So now that I've given you a full lowdown, I think everybody should go right now, get Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition because it'll help you a lot. Anything else? Yes.
Thank you. And you're indeed smelling good today and looking stunning and gorgeous, Alia Bhatt. Thank you so much, Ali, for being here. Pleasure. And now I'd like to request on stage Mr. Satyaki Ghosh, Director, L'Oreal India Consumer Products Division, to please join us on stage. Welcome, Mr. Ghosh. We now open the floor for the media Q&A.
You.
Hi, Ali. Hi, Alia.
Hi.
This is Pooja Saman from Lokmat.
Hi.
I would like to ask you, you had earlier endorsed Garnier skincare and now hair care. So how has been the entire experience with Garnier?
It's been a great experience. As I mentioned before, it's very nice when you and the brand have the same ideologies and you believe in the same things when it comes to marketing a product or, you know, trying to sell it to the consumers. So whatever, like the advertisement that we did, it was very young, it was very fresh. See, all of us are human. You can't look perfect all the time. So there are going to be bad hair days, but nobody likes bad hair days. So here's your solution to bad hair days, you know. And it's also not about it's not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. And when you want to feel good in terms of, you know, your body and your health, you also should take care of your hair because your hair also needs that utmost attention and nutrition that you give your body. So I had a great time working with the team. And yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, सात्यकी जी, आपसे मेरा प्रश्न है, शोमा घोष फ्रॉम ग्रे शोभा. मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि अभी आलिया जी को आपने इंडोर्स किया और उसके पहले ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं और उसके पहले भी आपके दीपिका पादुकोण, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और जॉन इब्राहिम थे आपके. तो इन चारों को लेकर के आप क्या कभी कुछ इंडोर्स करना चाहेंगे एक साथ में?
एक तो हमने आलिया भट्ट को इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, आलिया भट्ट ने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स किया है. बट आई अंडरस्टैंड द स्पिरिट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन. वी हैव मल्टीपल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स फॉर द डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज दैट वी हैव. John and Sushant clearly advertise for the men's range and they endorse that. Deepika does skin care Alia was doing skin cleansers. Now Alia will do Fructis. We are very happy with all 4 of them, and all of them get their individualities in it. Getting all 4 of them is a great idea. I have to think of a product which, all men and women and all 4 of them can come on the stage together. But it's a good idea. We'll keep it in mind.
Your line of products has 3 nutrients, hence the name Triple Nutrition. What is your personal favorite 3 elements in your hair care regime?
My personal favorite 3 elements in my hair care routine. See, as I said, because at least in my life, because I'm either we're traveling or shooting or something like that, so you have to keep your hair clean, you have to keep it healthy. So, first things comes to you have to know, you have to wash your hair regularly. You can't go 4 days without washing your hair. So I do wash my hair every alternate day, sometimes every day. So that's the first thing, cleansing. Secondly, everybody takes like vitamins for their skin and for their, for their personal care. You also have vitamins for your hair. So there is a vitamins that I take, the skin, hair, and nails. So that also helps. And last, but definitely not the least, Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. It gives you all the nutrition you need for your hair. So that is probably the top most point in my personal hair care.
Alia, hi. Right in front of you, straight here. Abhishek here. All right. Alia, the press conference began with you posing, and we know that you love to pose. So, it was good to see that you were standing by your brand and you were just holding it really tight. So, do you really love your brand, or does the brand pay you so much that you would want to stay by its side? What is it like? What's the connection?
Very good question. Today, when I was getting ready, I was telling them that you all come right now, go into the bathroom and see that I have carried my own Triple Nutrition conditioner and shampoo. You don't believe me? I'll take you also after this up to my bathroom. You can still see. It's right there. I travel with it. It's in my gym bag. It's in my travel bag when I'm going outdoors. I genuinely believe in it. It's not about, it's not, everything's not about money, the emotional connect as well. So I do stand by it. Like, I do use it. I'm not going to be endorsing something that I don't believe in. And I believe it helps my hair. So yeah, come after the press conference, Gero. I'll take you.
Hi, Alia. Sasha here from Hoture.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Alia, see, here we're talking about Triple Nutrition. So, we're talking about 3 strengths that, it has.